G'day and welcome back. My name is Dale and today we're making a festive treat that's perfect for the holiday season. Cherry Ripe Truffles. These delicious little bites combine the rich creamy texture of chocolate with the fruity sweetness of cherry ripe. Let's get started. Grab a cutting board and roughly chop the glace cherries. Small bits are best, but chunks are fine. Next, throw the toasted shredded coconut on top and cut it into the cherry mix. Place mixture into a bowl and add the cherry jam and cherry liqueur. Mix until combined. In a heavy based pot, combine the dark chocolate, butter, and cream. Stir over medium-low heat until smooth and glossy. Once off the heat, add the cherry ripe mixture and stir until well combined. Refrigerate the mixture for at least 2 hours or until firm. Roll the mixture into small balls, and I'm using a half tablespoon measure, but you can use whatever you have on hand or wing it. Continue to roll until all the mixture is used up. Melt the remaining dark chocolate in a double boiler or microwave safe bowl. Roll each truffle through the melted chocolate. And while still wet, coat with the toasted shredded coconut. A good tip is to use one hand for wet and one hand for dry. Refrigerate the truffles for at least 1 hour before serving. Enjoy!